come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. All the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. All the most high words you need to feast. Girl, make the right choice, because my love is nice, like sugar and spice, and everything which is right. I know it is the lies that Babylon say that make you went astray, but you can correct all that right away without delay. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. On the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. On the most high words you need to feast. I know the wrong lessons you have been learning, for the wrong people you have been working. I know the wrong friends you have been keeping, the wrong steps you have been taking. I know you realize you are trapped and need to escape. So we judge and make a date, and don't be late. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Woman of Zion, Jah is calling on you. Don't matter if you're black or white, purple or blue. Just soldiers don't have to be only men. Woman, Jah is calling on you. It's time to be strong. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Oh, 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 yeah. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make you comfortable. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Jah wanna put you on a irie heights. Let go the beast and come live in peace. And the most high words you need to feast. Let go the devil and come to the rebel. Rastafari will make